Let's unbox the IQ Gateway Commercial 2. Inside, you'll find the installation instructions printed in both English and Spanish. Next, we have the IQ Gateway Commercial 2. Each IQ Gateway Commercial 2 can communicate with up to 275 IQ8P 3P commercial microinverters. It also includes a small piece of DIN rail that can be installed in a NEMA 3R enclosure or better that the IQ Gateway Commercial 2 simply just snaps onto. Also in the box, there are 3 production CTs. Each production CT comes with a conductor length of 5 foot. They are rated for 400 amps, and there's an arrow that, when installed on the conductor, should be pointing away from the solar towards the grid. Wiring up the IQ Commercial Gateway 2 is very simple. You'll use the first terminal block to wire in your neutral, line 1, line 2, and line 3 to provide power to the unit. You'll use the next terminal block for your production and consumption CTs. To monitor the production on line 1, connect the white wire to the white P1 terminal and the blue wire to the blue P1 terminal. To monitor production on line 2, connect the white wire to the P2 terminal and the blue wire to the blue P2 terminal. To monitor production on line 3, connect the white wire to the white P3 terminal and the blue wire to the blue P3 terminal. To wire in your consumption CTs, follow the same methodology as you did when wiring your production CTs. For successful installation and commissioning of the IQ Gateway Commercial 2, be sure to follow the instructions that are included inside of the box.